Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Yeah, here we go again. Part 2. Yeah. Meaning back madness, yo. With West Side. RP my boy. Yeah, get him Kobe. Get him Kobe. It's my boy Kobe, boy. Yeah, 2 legends. Yeah, I know. Bonos. Sweetness. But yeah, bam. Here we go. Y'all can see the frame. It's painted. I don't know, it's supposed to be a chrome metallic blue. That's the closest I could find to the seat, like earlier. So now it's trying to assemble. I can't completely assemble it. I just gotta mock it because I gotta make sure that the rear tire and everything's put correctly. I just got the little the spacers I needed. Oh, this is the spring. Shout out to Volt on Wilmington before Rosecrans. Volt. That's a little spring right there for the brake. Then I got this cover. Pretty badass cover. But as you can see, bam, it's the wrong kind. So I gotta take it back. No biggie. I could probably trade this for the Hoosier tire. Now everybody's telling me to get the Hoosier tire. It's supposed to be bigger than the one I got there, but as I've seen earlier. But it's really I put them next to each other and pretty much the same size. You're basically get paying for the Hoosier riding around it, which is tight as fuck. So I got to get those eventually for my boy. But yeah, man, look at that. That color came out so good. All right, and again, the reason I spray painted it and not powder coated was because powder coat, once you fuck it up, you got to take it all apart. The spray paint, you mess it up, you scuff it, hit it with a little spray, and you're done. All right, y'all, so let me, I had to get these locks. This is what locks the wheel from moving on the shaft. And I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the back tire on there. And then after I do the back tire, let me see. I'll get back with y'all, man. I'll put y'all on a little beat roll, man. A little time lapse. Y'all don't want to see me do all that. Yeah. Let's get it. Ready for that. Another beautiful day in Cali. Here we go. It's finally March. Yeah. She coming. I got the caps. Another beautiful day. Anybody outside today yet? Ooh, everybody outside. Ooh, can't wait. Let me hurry up. Oh, man. Let's get through this thing. Ooh, okay. New tires. I gotta pull Becky out because I gotta clean it for the day. Yeah, that's what I'll be on today. Yeah. All right, so let's go, man. I'll put you on time lapse. Holla at your boy. Yeah, there we go. Now we'll put the seat later. Let me see what it looks at the seat. It's a badass bike right there. Alright, y'all, it's all mocked up. Ooh, yeah. Just mocked up in there. Once I put the engine, I gotta align the sprocket with it. Probably before I put the little spring. Gotta get that spring right here. Ooh, yeah, it's gotta go right here. Alright, y'all, put your little pause while I put the spring on. Alright, y'all, she goes just mocked up. Got the handlebars on. We gotta get the throttle right. Gas tank, we're trying to put it on the bottom. That's why we mock stuff. Seat about to go right here. That's not bad. Seat back there. Yeah, I was trying to put the gas tank under, but it wasn't fitting. So far, so good. That's how we're looking. Just gotta tighten everything up. And be doing wheelies. Again, vote. Give them day props. Frame from Bam, Back Alley Mini Bikes. And she's coming along. Got to time a few things up. And just wait for part 2. Yeah. What you gotta say?
Looks nice.
It's going down. Future YouTube star. Be tripping. He gonna be alright. You gonna see him in the streets with his camera. Alright, y'all. Hopefully this video's good enough. We can slap your mama or not.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.